shot off my horse, so what, I'm up again, playing in one of these big saloons on Main. You can come up here, take a look around these sinners' dens.
Anem cap a Tarragona a fer una reparació d'una xemeneia, el tronc de la xemeneia, la part de dalt, que ha quedat tapiada. Llavors suposo que amb escarpa, martell, i aviam com podem extreure-ho per tornar a donar la llar de foc al seu ús. Fins ara.
Everybody pays. Everybody pays to play. Yeah, you ought to stay right where you are in sawdust land. It's probably the safest place to be. With your greasy little pork pies and your shoestring hands, makes no difference to me. All those directions which we never took, to go our different ways. Who went and wrote the oldest story in the book? Everybody pays. Everybody pays to play.